Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to get your Apple Fitness rings working with your Garmin device, your Garmin watch. And there's a little bit of a caveat to this because they don't work 100% the same way that they would on an Apple Watch. And so if you're looking to maintain all three rings with a Garmin without an Apple Watch, it just doesn't work that way. Apple makes you buy them, use their watch to be able to use their software that way. But there are some workarounds that we can do to ensure that you can use some functionality of the rings, even with a Garmin without an Apple Watch anymore. So let's take a look at the phone and dive right into it here. So if we go over into my activity app here, you can see where I have the red ring. And that's from my Garmin. And every time I go in and sync up my Garmin and let it, sync the steps and everything like that, it updates my move ring. So this is basically what you get without an Apple Watch. Even if you don't even have a Garmin, if you just kind of use your phone to track your steps, this red move ring is what you're going to get. And if we kind of look at the calendar here, we can see the difference in going back. You can see where, okay, when I had an Apple Watch, this is how it would register, right? That's your standard 3 rings. But without an Apple Watch, you get more that, just the red ring portion of it. And so there's kind of almost 3 different levels to this. You either have an Apple Watch and you use it, where you get all the rings, or you have an Apple Watch and you don't use it, but it stays on and connected to Wi-Fi and is able to still communicate with your phone back and forth, and it gives you some of the rings. Or you don't have an Apple Watch at all and you disconnect it from your account and it gives you these red rings. And so I have chosen, since being on Garmin, to just ditch the Apple Watch entirely. And so that's how I've gotten to this point. But it wasn't working for me. It wasn't like registering or tracking the steps in that ring. And so in order to be able to do that, what we have to do is go into health. And so we go into health and we go into steps and we scroll down all the way down in steps until we see data sources and access. And then it will load all our different data sources here. Mine has quite a few. I don't even know why all these different Apple Watch data sources are in here. Like, it's insane. Different phone, like, I've not had that many phones and watches before. Not really sure why. But you'll see the one that we want here for Garmin is Garmin Connect. And you see this little edit button at the top. That needs to be at the top of the list, because for whatever reason, Apple is going to read from top to bottom and prioritize the Garmin Connect one on top. And so I had Garmin Connect like way down in the middle towards the bottom of the list. And once I edited and brought it all the way up to the top, then it was reading correctly the steps data from Garmin directly. So that's kind of step 1. And that was the main sticking point for me why it wasn't working. Step 2 is go into Garmin and go into More and scroll down to Settings, and then go to Connected Apps, and then Apple Health, and then make sure that Apple Health data is sharing everything to Garmin, and back and forth. And so you got to make sure that that data is syncing back and forth. But then that was step 2. And for me, it still wasn't working at that point. Like, I still had kind of the outline of the other rings. And let me see if I can pull up an example here. Yeah, it was doing this, where it was like, wasn't really reading the rings. It was just showing like the 1, 2, 3 different dots, rings, and it wasn't like registering like it should have been. And so the final step I did to fix this was to go to my devices under my settings. And when we scroll down here, the list of devices that I had, for whatever reason, it still showed my old Apple Watch under here, even though I'd sold it and gotten rid of it for so long. Like, I don't know why, like, that's kind of a glitch in the Apple system I've noticed. Like, Find My can be off, and I could have sold the device, and I don't have it anymore, and it'll still pop up in here every now and then. And so when I went in here and I actually removed the device from my account, then immediately it started working, and it kicked in the rings here like it should. And so now what I get is every time I sync my Garmin device, I get the steps tracked. And so really all this does is obviously track your steps, track your distance, track your flights climbed, and then just estimate the calories burned, right? And so that's basically all that this is doing. It's not giving you your stand time. It's not giving you your exercise minutes, just like the native Apple experience would. If you want more robust data, you're going to have to just use Garmin Connect. But what this does is it allows you to at least have the red ring, and it allows you to still be able to share and compete with your friends if they want to be able to have competitions with you in like Apple Fitness, because that's really all that Apple Fitness tracks anyway in the competition side of things, is like just the red ring. And so you still technically can compete and share stuff with your friends that way. You just don't have the green or the blue rings. And so that's kind of a little bit of a workaround to how to get the rings to work with your Garmin device without an Apple Watch. Hope this helps. Hey, if this video helped you, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.